taking out my last dreadlock. Ooh, 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 ooh. So, just to recap, I know I posted quite a few videos, but this is the last one of me taking out my last dreadlock. I detoxed my hair. I use hot water. The detox includes apple cider vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils. The essential oils that I used was lavender, rosemary, and then tea tree oil. I don't know why I used those. I came across it on the internet, but I was like, all right, bet, I'm gonna use it. So then what I do is I douse my hair in it for like 30 minutes or so, rinse it off. That detox helps remove the pith on the inside of it, which will make it much easier for you to comb out. And then what I do, so this hair is still wet, and then what I do is I put the detox in a cup of water so that I can dip my hair. And then I will douse my hair, my dreadlock, with this Carol's Daughter Marguerite's Magic. And then I use like a lice comb that will comb out the bottom of my lock for me. And then I use my favorite utensil, which is, and I know you're gonna laugh, I call this my hors d'oeuvre fork. And I literally will stroke and comb out my lock that way. So let's get started. This is my last lock. This is my last lock. This is my last lock. Oh my God. And in previous videos, what I've mentioned is that skinny locks or really thin locks are the hardest to take out. Also, notice the length of my hair, more than likely, and I'm hoping that my hair will be just about this long when it's all said and done. Let me dip this a little bit more because it's a little hard. So stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Last lock. I'm just gonna comb this out a little bit more. I'm trying to get it to a point in which I'll have enough to grip for my fork. Put some more of this on the bottom to keep it hydrated so it won't break off. Oh, and then the last thing that I do is I literally will kind of comb my lock with the fork to help loosen up the outsides of the lock. This also makes a big difference. These thin locks are like so hard because sometimes they'll have like lots of knots in it. Fill a knot, like I said, what I do is I will do a comb it out with my fingers, and that means I'll pull it strand by strand. So you see, that's a little knot that was in there, and I wouldn't be surprised if I come across some more, to be honest with you. It would be my last lock that's the most difficult, right? It would be. So here's the other thing that I'm gonna mention to you that I, when I have difficult dreadlocks, and this is exactly what I'm about to do now, is I will stand underneath the sink the kitchen faucet, run hot water, and then take this thing out. And that's what I'm about to do. I'll come back to you all when it's like at the tippy top. But yo, this right here is a monster. It's ironic that this is my last lock that has taken such a long time. But what I'm gonna do is I'm literally gonna sit at the kitchen sink, run the hot water, get underneath of it, and then help it loosen up some. So be right back. Okay, y'all gonna be back? Please stay. So I took my last dreadlock out. Do y'all remember how long it was? I don't. So I rinsed it out, and now I'm adding my Carol's daughter Marguerite's magic back in it. Get it really good. I'm also adding some Just For Me curl piece smoothing ponytail and edge control, just to hold it. How long? Okay, girl. And then I want to show you how much hair I just lost taking out that lock. It was a really thin lock, like I told you. Thin locks are like the worst locks sometimes. You have to be patient with them. But when you are, you'll end up having healthy results. So that's that. Now, what I'm going to do is take out all these, because what I did was I ended up braiding or twisting my locks, or what used to be locks. So I'm going to take all of this out, and then I'm going to wash and condition, and then do a deep conditioner. And I am hoping that I'm going to have this beautiful, luxurious, curly fro. So, because of the power of editing and all that jazz, you'll see the results very shortly. Okay? All right. See you on the other side. Ta-da! Haven't washed my hair yet. I literally combed out all of my dreadlocks, and I had braided them, and then I just took out the braids. And so I just wanted to show y'all my finished product. This joint is dry as I don't know what, but look how beautiful my hair is. And wait, and look how long my hair is. My curl pattern isn't even intact yet, just because I haven't washed it yet, but I just wanted to show y'all because I was super excited that I had this fantastic fro after taking out all of my dreadlocks. So next step, I'm going to deep condition it. I'm going to have some fun with it. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to be using Carol's daughter products again to wash it, and then I'm actually going to try Taraji's new, I'm going to try her new products as well for her deep conditioner. So let me see how that works out, but I'm super excited. Look at all this hair I have, you guys. 3 years of growth. I had no hair, had my dreadlocks, combed them out, super duper healthy, and I'm super duper excited about it. So let me go ahead and take care of this. It's getting late. I don't even care. Don't even care. Look. And let me just show y'all on both sides. Look at all this hair. All mine. All me. I love it. Love. And I can scratch my hair. I can get deep down to the roots. Oh my goodness. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Time to start my hair journey all over again. I hope y'all will follow my journey. I really do. And I hope If you decide to comb out your locks, I want you to hit a sister up, tag me, let me know how it worked out. It's sensational. You'll love it. I promise you. Be patient, and your fruits of your labor will pay off. So I'm gonna sign off for now. If you don't subscribe to my channel, you might want to consider it. I'm about to be blowing y'all up, just like my fruit. All right, see y'all later. Thank you for following me. I appreciate it. I'm just as tickled as I can be. All right, bye.